Hello children, today we are going to learn about chapter number 4. Chapter name is Angle and Pairs of Angles. Part number 4.1. Let's recall. Let's get to know angle first. Let's write down information of angle shown here. Identify the angle, the name of angle, vertex and arms. Let us write down the information of angle shown here. Name of angle, angle ABC. Name of its vertex, vertex name is B. Name of its arm, arm AB and arm BC. Name of points on its arm, A, B, point B and point C. Angle ABC. Let's learn interior and exterior of an angle. This figure is angle PQR. Some points are shown on inside and some outside of this figure. Group of points, point N, point M and point T, and point O is interior of the angle PQR. Point G, point D, point S and point E are exterior points of angle PQR. Point P, point Q and point R on the angle PQR. Adjacent angles. Look at the angles in the figure alongside. The ray MQ is a common arm of angle. Common vertex M and separate interiors of angle BMQ and angle QMD. These two angles is adjacent angles. Now I know two angles which have a common vertex, a common arm and separate interiors are said to be the adjacent angles. Now we solve practice set number 15, question 1, question 2 and question 3. Question number 1. Observe the figure and complete the table for angle AWB. Write down part, interior points, exterior points and points on the arms. First, we write down interior points of angle AWB. Interior points are point N, point R, point C and point X. Next, exterior points. Exterior points are point T, point U, point V, point Q and point Y. Next, points on the arms of angles is point A, point W, point G, point B is points on the arms. Second question. Name the pairs of adjacent angles in the figure below. Pairs of adjacent angles. First, angle ANB and angle BNC. Second, angle BMC and angle ANC. Third, angle ANC and angle ANB. These three angles are adjacent angles. Second, write down pairs of adjacent angle. In this figure, two pairs of adjacent angles. First, angle PQR and angle PQT. These two angles are adjacent angles because common arm is PQ and common point is Q, and separate interiors are of these two angles. Angle PQR and angle PQT is adjacent angles. Question 3. Are the following pairs adjacent angles? If not, state the reason. First pair is angle PMQ and angle RMQ. These two angles are adjacent angles because common arm is MQ and common point is M, and separate interiors are of these two angles, so that these two angles are adjacent angles. MQ common and M vertex common and separate interiors, so that these two angles are adjacent angles. Second, angle RMQ and RMS are not adjacent angles because there are not common arm and common vertex. Here are three interior parts, so that these two angles are not adjacent angles. Third, angle RMS and angle RMT are not adjacent angles because here are not common arm, not common vertex and not separate interiors, so that they are not adjacent angles. Fourth, angle SMT and angle RMS. Common arm MS and common vertex M, and separate interiors are in these two angles, so that these two angles are adjacent angles. Here SMT and angle RMS shown separate interiors and common arm and common vertex. These angles are adjacent angles. Today, what we learned today? Identify the angle, angle interior and exterior, and adjacent angles. Now, study all these figures. We meet again part number 4.2.